What is going on, guys? It is Tim here, and today I will be making one of my first videos of my Evo 10. And today I'll actually be just taking the blow-off valve off and actually just cleaning it, just because it's actually pretty dirty. As you guys can see, here is the 10. Beautiful, but yet dirty. Wheels are off for the winter, as you can see. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but yeah, she's pretty dirty. Anyways, here is the blow-off valve. Turbosmart. As you know, you probably need to clean these pretty often, as they can get pretty dirty. Look at this, and just take a look at the inside. It's pretty nasty. So yeah, so today I will be taking this off and getting it lubed and getting it cleaned up. All right, so first what we want to do is actually take off these bolts. There's one there, and there is another one right there. And then you also need to take off this as well. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, as you can see, we got it off. It's pretty dirty. Look at that. Filthy. Look at just from taking it off, man. Alright, well, we're gonna go ahead and get this inside and get it disassembled and cleaned up. Alright, so taking the blow-off valve is actually pretty simple. What you want to do is just turn the top of it counterclockwise, and now there is a spring. It is spring loaded, so it is going to pop once you get towards the top. Yep, there you go. Yeah, and then the piston as well, or not the piston, the valve. Look at that. That's pretty dirty. So we'll go ahead and get this cleaned up. I'm just gonna spray this with some brake cleaner, and this is what I'm using. I don't remember where I got it at, but it works. So yeah, just go ahead and get this cleaned up. Alright, once you have it apart and totally cleaned, you want to go ahead and put it back together. So yeah, so this just goes in here. Actually, let's go ahead and put this on. Make sure this is nice and tight. Then this slips right in here. But before you put this in here, you want to make sure that it is completely lubed up. So what I'm using is Zoom Spout sewing machine oil. Now for the Turbosmart, you can use sewing machine oil, which you can get at Walmart for I think it's like $5 or something like that. But yes, I got this at Walmart, $5. Or you can order the Turbosmart lubrication online, which is like, I think it's around like $6 or something like that. But sewing machine oil works. So all we have to do is just lubricate this back up. then you just want to go ahead and slip it right back in, as you can see. That way. Nice and good. There we go. Alright. Hold my hands real quick, and then pop this right in. And then you just want to screw the top back on. Just simply push it in. It's pretty simple, but you need to use some force. Yeah, damn. All right, and there we have it, fully assembled, cleaned, and it is ready to go back on the car. All right, guys, I got the blow valve back into the car. Got these all tightened up. This one down here, up here, and as well as the one down there, as well as the hose up top. I don't know if you can see that or not, but look at the blow valve now. It is so much cleaner. Look on the inside. No dirt. Clean. It's looking brand new. But yeah, pretty simple job. Pretty easy. Yeah, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will definitely have more videos up in the near future. Thanks for watching. Peace out.